everyone. So we actually received our package from Lazada. So we are going to unbox it. I don't know what's inside. So let's see and try to find out what's inside. So let's gonna start unboxing. Let's gonna start unboxing the package that we actually received. I think 10 minutes ago. Okay. So let's get it on.
Okay.
Ready? So do we need to use a knife? I think this is a plastic, so it's pretty easy. Pretty easy for us to open. I don't know what's inside. This is actually a surprise. I'm gonna remove it.
Yung excited po kayong?
I'm excited. I don't know what happened.
What's
The
that?
seller center. Okay. Let's see. My son is here. Is actually watching. What's inside? Oh, come on. Vitamin E. Lots of vitamin E. And of course, aside from vitamin E, what's other stuff inside?
I-open jud siya.
So there are actually 10 bottles of Pro-Life vitamin E. Okay. So my son actually is helping me out.
Ano to po?
He is so helpful. He's a diligent boy. Take a look at him. He's actually unboxing boxes of vitamin E. I don't know, bottles. Okay, this is kind of hard.
Safety jud siya no.
Okay. Do not accept if seal is broken. Okay. So what is this? What are these stuff? I believe you don't open it up.
Focus.
Blush, lipsticks, clay blush. I don't know. We're not done yet. Here's the other bottle of vitamin E. Come on. We're not done yet. Yung dili na dulaan. Okay? No, we're doing a video thing. Just put it here. Just put it here. All here. Okay. So I think we're done. Please click like and subscribe to my channel, IDV TV, powered by CXT. So have a great and wonderful evening ahead of you guys. Don't forget to smile.
Say bye-bye, Yong Yong.
Bye bye.